Once you have articulated the business opportunity, it is time to gather data. It is important to gather all of the relevant data in the first stage because the business scenario is still fresh in your mind. And remember, promised data is not the same as data in hand. An important exercise during this stage is to document exactly what would be ideal data for the given business opportunity. The exact details of how data is recorded and saved could potentially be modified, and the earlier you start these discussions, the faster you will get to better data. Before you have collected any real data, you can begin the discussions about what the raw data should look like. Think carefully about what features the data should include and what labels are being saved. A part of this conversation should talk about the relationship between labels and features. For example, for each transaction, do we have a customer ID? This is also a good time to ask about the driving factors behind missing observations. As a rule of thumb, you will always want to be working with the most granular level data possible. You can easily create pivots and aggregates that express the summary level data from granular data, but the reverse is generally not possible. This unit will talk about the many ways you can gather your data. From text files to databases to web scraping, there are a large number of options. In industry, data is often messy and data does not always come from a single source. At the end of this unit, you will get some practice merging heterogeneous data. There are also some best practices that will help you save time and get to the more exciting stages of the overall process sooner.